418s on 3 10-inch airports. Yep. Wow.
27 hertz too. There's PSI platform buys. I asked for 10 cabs.
I like that. That looks good, man. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Pretty good. You next? Oh, I'll go.
PSI platform 5.
Hey, can I see the back?
Yeah, dude.
I can open it? I just wanted to see the back if that was alright. Very nice.
It would come around after I got my shit incredibly hot.
Sorry, man.
Oh, no, it's all
wow, these 8 or 10s?
10s.
Woo! 418s on 3 10-inch airports.
Yep.
Wow.
27 hertz too.
PSI, the team PSIs. Wow.
Well, there's PSI platform buys. I asked for 10 cabs.
I like that. That looks good, man.
Basically awesome.
Very nice. Wow. What is this tuned to?
27.
27.
Peaks at 36 and 46.
36 hertz and 40. Awesome. Amps I can go look at too. I like your work you did on the back here.
Thank you. I had to add some weight to it, man. I already killed one door, so I put this one on the other week.
Yeah. Oh, I see it. 2 different doors.
Yeah, that's
yeah. Wow. Be sure to hit the like button, everyone, and subscribe. Wow. Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we got of his system at the Sundown Audio Show in North Carolina. Really insane amount of subwoofer flex, a lot of power, and an impressively huge box he fit inside of this vehicle. Really looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Crazy system, subwoofers up and port up. Very unique style. He had to get all the room out of the back end, so 3 big 10-inch air ports all the way in the back. Probably smart to do it that way. This is the specs I found on the PSI website if you want to pause to take a quick read. These are over 100-pound subwoofers. I didn't actually find out exactly how much power he ran to his subs or the battery bank. I'm just going to go ahead and assume these are 8,000 watt RMS amplifiers, 1 per sub. And the lithium bank, it looks like for the size, is probably over 200 amp hours. So he's definitely got a lot of power with 3 alternators as well for this system. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of videos. Pretty much every day I post a video about car audio systems like this. And this year, if you didn't pick up earlier, these are 10-inch airports, not 8s. And they're 18-inch subs. So enjoy this 5-minute demo. Lots of crazy fun. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.